talk about the box jump. So a couple of important techniques to keep you safe. We're going to land softly on top of the box in an athletic position. If the boxes are too high, you're going to end up having to get your legs up really high to get all the way up on the box. There's a lot more chance of you getting injured, and you're not landing in an athletic position. So you can still get the same explosiveness from a smaller box. So I want you to concentrate on getting a lot of air time and then landing in a good position. So we're going to swing the arms, jump, softly catch, step back down. All right, guys, let's not get hurt in the gym. Have fun with it.